Before we get started on the door jambs, I want to show you how I clean the edges of my actual door. As you can see, it's pretty overdue. In order to accomplish this, I'm going to be using the McCulloch MC1275. You can check this steam cleaner out on Amazon by clicking the link in the description. As you can see, the MC1275 jet nozzle blasts the gunk and grime built up there right away. Because of the paint, I'm not going to be using any scrub brush included with the MC1275. The pressure of the hot steam and a microfiber towel are plenty to get all the junk up. For the most part, any microfiber towel will do a great job at picking up the dirt. However, when working around delicate car paint, make sure that your microfiber towel is free of any debris and that you aren't scrubbing too hard. Microfiber at times can be almost abrasive and cause light scratching of the paint known as marring. I will include a link in the description of some great high quality microfiber towels, so be sure to check those out. In these clips, I really wanted to show you all how the MC1275's pressure really gets in the cracks and crevices and blasts the dirt out. It has just the right amount of pressure and heat to really loosen things up, which is why I think it's a great choice for any auto detailer. For the plastic trim of the car, I went ahead and attached my nylon brush and got to scrubbing. The material tends to be porous, so the steam and agitation of the bristles make for an easy cleanup. I hope you guys find these videos informative. I really enjoy making them and sharing all the tips and tricks I've learned from trial and error with using steam cleaners. So let's get right to the door jambs. I'm assuming you may know what car door jambs are, but for those who don't, the door jambs are basically the hinges that hold the door up and keep it aligned with the frame of the car properly. These can be easy to neglect because they're basically out of sight, out of mind. They can get pretty dirty like you can see in this video. You know, I really enjoy when I can get footage like this. My first video titled Steam Cleaning a Filthy Bathtub, which I'll include a link in the description to, is a perfect example of what kind of cleaning power these products have. If you decide to check that video out, be sure to check out the comment section while you're there, because it is hilarious. As a quick note, I should mention what my process of cleaning was here. I first started with the nylon scrub brush to break up that caked on dirt, and then used the pressure of the jet nozzle to clear most of it out. I think this is a great approach anytime you're steam cleaning and tough to reach cracks and crevices. Now that we've moved on to the second door jamb, I am just going to go ahead and repeat the same exact process until it is sparkling clean. You'll notice that quite a bit of footage was sped up here. The door jambs can be a task to clean, but it's really all part of the package in having a clean and great looking vehicle. Although a steam cleaner produces a small amount of water buildup, you'll definitely want to make sure that you give your door jambs a quick wipe with a rag to dry up any excess water. We wouldn't want to risk any rust forming. These look great. We now have much better looking door jambs thanks to our steam cleaner.